welcome back to another sewing video that is not a tutorial. So in this video, we are going to be looking at a graduation stole that I made for my friend who's getting her PhD. And I am so proud of her. She wanted to wear something that was really special, so she picked up some fabric actually last year from her mom's homeland of South Africa. And she said, this is what I want for my graduation stole. So I've been holding on to her fabric for almost a year. But it's graduation time now, so let's get started, okay? Alright, so what we're doing right now is just making sure that everything is lined up where it should be. I apologize if the camera shake. It is hooked to the ironing board. So now I'm taking my backing off. I'm going to set my first letter. And I want to move it up just a little bit. Oh, yeah. Sorry, guys. Oh my gosh, that song. Okay. So we need to shift it just a tad. So Grandma is in town and Grandma brought noisemaker toys. I think we got it, guys. first part's done. Yay. We're going to flip to these letters and knock these letters out. My mom is in town. She's hanging with my little naked baby. Oh, let's do this, guys. Just want to show you guys where we're at. I'm going to take this little piece of lint off because we don't want to sew that on. So the letters are on. And then what I have done is I've taken my binding and we opened it up, and it is pinned always to the back first. And then we'll sew along this ditch, take our pins out, and we're going to flip this edge up and over. And before we stitch it on the front side, we're going to add our white trim detail. All right. How did you like it? How did it turn out? I know it was very simple. I think if I had my preference, I would have jazzed it up because I'm a kind of a woohoo type of person. But I really hope she enjoys her graduation doll. I am very honored to have been asked to make it for her, I cannot wait until she walks across the stage. My baby girl is smart. Ow! So I am proud of you because I know you're going to be watching this video. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed everything. And y'all know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Okay? Bye.